Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lemon drizzle cake with a mascarpone cream. You're going to start by placing the butter in a bowl and whisking until nice and smooth, then add the sugar and cream together. Then add the eggs one at a time and whisk together. Then add the vanilla. And then place the plain flour and the baking powder in the bowl along with the lemon zest and whisk until combined. Then place the batter in your loaf tin, and once you've filled it up you're going to want to smooth the top of the batter. Then bake the cake in the centre of the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. While the cake is baking, mix together the sugar and the lemon juice and leave that to one side until the cake comes out of the oven. Then make lots of holes in the cake while it's still warm so that you can pour the lemon and sugar mixture over the top. Once you have poured all of the mixture over the top of the cake, then allow the cake to cool in the tin on the side. Then to make the mascarpone cream, you're going to place the mascarpone in a bowl and whisk together until smooth. Then add the vanilla and the lemon juice and again whisk until combined. Add the icing sugar and whisk on a low speed to combine and make it completely smooth. At this point you're going to pour the whipping cream into the mixture while you're still whisking and whisk until you get a thick cream consistency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.